Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to DM someone on Discord. Firstly, click on the recipient's profile image or username. Type in your message in the text box at the bottom and press enter to send. Now, right-click on the user's name and this will open a DM channel directly with them. Just click the Discord logo and on the top left corner, then select Friends. Under the online or all tabs, locate the person you want to message, and this will open the DM channel. Just click on the Discord logo in the top left corner and click their name to continue to your conversation in an existing DM channel. Now, you're all set to send private messages on Discord to someone. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.